HVAC26 is a fabulous, fabulous conference. Well done, AIRAH, it's a great event.
I like being a member of AIRAH due to the technical skill, technical knowledge and training and education that AIRAH offers.
Is propane units and propane heat pumps and propane air conditioning units.
Started reprocessing and remanufacturing 410A, and that's to give us some longevity to 410A. So what we'd love to see happen is if pre-charged equipment or the new stuff can switch over to alternatives.
I'm here because I just want to see where we're going and what we're doing and where the future of HVAC's going, and this conference is the best one in Australia for it.
Over 51,000 trade apprentices completed their training in the year to end March 2025.
If you want to start doing data-driven maintenance, we can start immediately at the same cost as your current maintenance contract with amortise the capital costs.
I was really interested in the quality and the depth of information that has ramifications across our whole built environment industry. I'm really excited.
My name is Sonia Holsheimer, I'm from Siegel Mechanical, and over the past 12 months AIRAH and myself have completely revised the Section J course material. We've now put it into really small micro sessions. Today Brett and I have just finished a presentation on 6 and 68. Brett and I know each other from the Standards Committee. We were involved with the recent change from 2012 to 2024, and we had a really interesting session and a lot of engagement as we discussed the changes.
I am also fortunate enough to deliver some other courses. The Smoke Control and Fire Damper course, which is about the design and the delivery of systems under AS 1668 Part 1, but also the Essential Safety Measures course, which is very much suited to people working in existing buildings with the fire and smoke control systems, understanding why the systems are there, how they need to be maintained and why they need to be maintained.